Right, so we're going to get straight into this video. It is all about building one of our railway sleeper pond kits. There's not much of a description of what's happening going on. It's just a visual showing you what's happening. It was professionally videoed. We're going to have a much more in-depth, detailed video showing you how to build one of our pond kits. But this is a bit of a behind the scenes as it's happening. Video in chronological order showing you how I build one of the pond kits. So I hope you enjoy it, and if you've got any questions or anything, reach out to us either by messaging us on Facebook, TikTok, or at info@cwdsandbatch.co.uk. You can also WhatsApp us. All the information is on our website. Thank you very much for watching. Within a millimetre. Yeah, absolutely solid, but it's I mean, this kid's probably better for. So what happened now is I hit a screw, so the whole bit of timber shifts if I hit a screw on the first one. So I have to move it and find another hole. What I'm going to do is stick a screw in the bottom of this. Yeah. And then that gives me a, when I'm building it up. Yeah, because otherwise it starts going like weird shapes. Right, and that's what we want.
It's going to be about better if you like.